So today, let's consider which data points on a Facebook post level export are useful when calculating engagement rates. First of all, let's remind ourselves of the engagement rate equation. So engagement rate is the sum of all the engagements divided by the sum of the reach or the impressions. If we take a look at one of our Facebook CSV files, it looks a little bit like this. The key columns to consider are columns I, which is called lifetime post total reach. You might actually want to break it down into organic or paid reach, but ultimately column I, the sum of all that reach, and the sum of column O, the engaged users. If you add them up at the bottom of your CSV file there and divide one by the other, it gives you the engagement rate.